Hello everyone, this is Shrikar here. I just wanted to show a demo of the recent application I built. It's called Lead Hunter. So you can think of Lead Hunter as a CRM for Reddit, mainly for identifying leads. So let me just go through an example of like how you would use this platform. So leads essentially kind of tells you all the posts where there is an intent for you to pitch your products or whatever criteria your US could be. And you can see like a list of all the different criteria or like leads I have created. Let me just actually show with the start with the lead criteria first. So in this case, I'm saying that, okay, this is like an email marketing lead criteria. And if you go to the edit section of it, you can tell, okay, what are the subreddits I want to monitor? In this case, it's like cold email or email marketing, and keywords could be like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Beehive. And then you can have like even the exclusion keywords. So what is really interesting is you don't have to just provide the keywords, but you can actually even define like how you would define your lead. In this case, using like a natural language query, like you can just say, I need to find users who are looking for help with email marketing for growing their business. So if you think of like if you are an agency or you're a SaaS developer building like email marketing tools, you can essentially put this and then monitor for people who are explicitly asking for technical help or are frustrated by not getting the results using their existing tactics. So once you save the results, so save this particular lead criteria, we will go and start fetching like the leads, like as how you have seen here. In this case, you can see, okay, you can just select if you have different type of leads. Like for example, I actually wanted to identify, okay, what are the set of users for law firms. So for example, if you look at the law firm leads, I'll say, okay, these are the subreddits I want to monitor. In this case, like legal, tech, lawyer, talk, and law firm. What are the people searching for? People are either searching for AI tools, ChatGPT, Lexus, case text, or Westlaw. If you already know these keywords, you can add them. Or you could even tell like something like a natural language query, like, okay, find me all the users who are interested in AI tools, ChatGPT, blah blah blah, or solo users who want to scale their business and might be benefited by using AI tools, right? So let's say if you are actually a legal tech company, you would probably want to like start pitching your product to these particular leads. So once you have say the changes, again you can go back to the leads. In this case, like, okay, for example, somebody's asking about like best email verification tools. So if you are into like market for like verification tools, you can essentially click on reply. It'll probably pull in all the context. So when you want to like reply to a particular post, you want to look at all the posts that have actually happened or comments that have happened on that particular post and give a thoughtful reply, right? So this is what they have been asking about. You can hit generate AI reply. I will be adding more features there in terms of like whether you want to actually pitch your product or you just want to like have a meaningful conversation, right? If you look at this is like more like the kind of like model we have trained here is essentially like going to write more like a Reddit user than like a traditional chat GPT. But yeah, once you hit this thing, you can actually like send reply. So for now, because like we haven't integrated into Reddit, you can just take this particular comment or your reply. I'll actually directly take you to Reddit there. But you can essentially just click on view, go to a particular cold email thing and then reply, right? So this is essentially like how you can start with like having a meaningful conversation and slowly start pitching your product. Yeah, so if you'd like to get like access to this tool, do let me know. And also like happy to hear any feedback. Thank you.